Welcome to the What's New in Address Manager 2.3 Part 1 instructional video. Several changes and enhancements, including database enhancements, configurator enhancements, and branch versioning, are not covered in this video, but are detailed in the What's New in Address Manager 2.3 document available online at this web page. An important enhancement is the ability to review discrepancy reports in the application. To enable the discrepancy report tools, open the Configurator application and select your application item. Select Tools and scroll down to the Add button. Select Discrepancy Editor, type in a name, and select OK. Then save the configuration. In the Address Manager application, the Upload Discrepancy and Discrepancy Review tools are displayed on the right side menu. Select the Upload Discrepancy Report tool from your device and select the report you want to add. The discrepancy report table will then be displayed at the bottom of the screen. To review a discrepancy, select the row and click the checkbox located at the far left. Select the zoom icon to zoom to the discrepancy. At this point, you can start the appropriate editor to fix the discrepancy. In this example, the discrepancy is for a site address point, so select the address editor. Select the address point of the discrepancy, and the site address point attributes will be displayed. Here you can make the change required so that the address point will be accepted into the standard. After correcting the discrepancy, you can close the discrepancy by selecting the Edit Discrepancy icon located on the far right. The discrepancy editor will appear. Select Status to change the status to Closed or Rejected. Add in any comments that you would like to make, and select Save. The discrepancy review table is refreshed to reflect your change. Continue to review the discrepancies, make any required changes, and update their status. Multiple address points can now be moved using the Move Address Points tool. Select the Address Editor tool, and then select an existing address point tool. In this example, select the Parcels tool. Select the parcels you want to move, and then enable the Multi-Select tool. After selecting the address points that you want to move, simply move the rectangle to locate those address points in their new location, and select Save. Please see What's New in Address Manager 2.3 document available at this web page. Up next is What's New in Address Manager 2.3 Part 2.